is our Earth, and this is Indonesia, our beloved country. We know that Indonesia is the largest maritime country. Besides as the largest maritime country, Indonesia is also one of the most populous countries in the world. Being in the first position is China, second is India, and followed by the United States. And do you know that Indonesia is the fourth rank of top 10 countries with the highest population? Can you imagine how many people live in Indonesia? As per year 2010, approximately more than 242 million people live in this country, while in year 2060, the population is expected to reach 100 million. According to Jakarta Post, since the collapse of the New Order, the family planning program has been neglected as the central government is no longer campaigning intensively for the birth control, forgetting the famous Indonesian slogan, "Two children is enough." An optimistic person might see the countries with large population as a potential for economic growth. With the growth of population, there will be bigger markets for products. It means that the producers have the more opportunities to grab larger markets. While for the labor force, there will be a significant increase in availability of the work field. It is because producers need more laborers to produce their products. However, how about the other impacts? The other impact for individuals concerned with the environment, large population represent a serious threat. As overpopulation is the root of environmental problems, we know that the waste management system in Indonesia has not been managed very well. With the increase in population, the waste management system may get worse. This may include unsanitary living conditions, the depletion of resources, and environmental pollution and poverty. The first impact is unsanitary living conditions. As the population increases, our waste will be doubled. There will be a decline in place to manage those garbage, and besides, our river will also receive more garbage. The quality of our living condition will be deteriorated and our health will be jeopardized. It is because the explosion of population needs more space for living, with no exceptions of dirty condition. People's health will be easily affected by disease caused by unsanitary living conditions. The situation will get worse if people increase their standard of living. As more people want to buy cars and air conditioners, more resources will be consumed, more waste will be produced, and the increased pollution rate. Our air will be contaminated with more dangerous gases. Even with people's current lifestyle and today's population level, our natural resources is not sustainable, and our waste treatment and disposal in big cities are serious problems. How about the food supplies? If the population size is doubles, then twice the amount of the natural resources will be needed. Twice as much as rice will have to be produced. Same condition with the other food supplies such as potatoes, tomatoes, corn, and others. However, to produce more of those supplies, we need to have twice as many fields. How can this be sustainable when existing fields are continuously shrinking to make rooms for settlements as the need of housing increases? So the solution for the overpopulation in Indonesia will be based on government control and the awareness of Indonesian society. The government must launch a massive awareness campaign to control the birth rate, so that every Indonesian understands that small-sized families are ultimately better for the countries, as well as for the family unit itself. It is imperative that we all do our share in bringing population growth under control.